I like big butts.
I've been riding dirt bikes and four-wheelers my whole life, and this is one of my favorite machines. Today I'm going to try to add some additional pegs back here for a passenger. And the only thing I could find online that I think can work are these. I'm going to have them situated, I think, so that, let's say as a passenger sitting here, their feet want to be right about there. I'm going to have these positioned probably about like this. That way if you hit a stump or something, they can fold back like that. They're designed to be this way, but I don't have a vertical part of the frame except way back here. It's too far back there. So again, I'm going to try to do it here, and we'll see how it works. I was looking for warning labels to warn against having passengers. I don't see any. It's probably in the manual. Obviously, it's not intended to have a passenger since there's no factory set of second pegs there. So what I'm showing you here is not anything that I'm recommending that you do for yourself. Just discovered the bolts aren't long enough. This part of the frame is really thick, so I have to go to the hardware store and match up these bolts and get some longer ones.
Over 1 month later.
Okay, I went to the hardware store. These are the original bolts here, and I got these 2-inch bolts, a little bit thinner diameter, and these 4 nuts, and then these 4 locking nuts. So I might use either one of those or a combination of them. So we'll see how that goes. This is going well. It's going on there. It's not interfering with anything. 2-inch bolts, and this looks like it's going to work pretty well. Decided to go ahead and get a second nut on there to do a jam nut, tighten one against the other. Move the peg to this location here, just a couple inches forward. When it was here, it was interfering with the chain, but that works out really well right there in that location. This warning label. Man, that's just vicious. Look at the guy's hand.